What's up? Here's a quick video on the 15-minute rule. Let's go. So the first thing we want to talk about is what is the 15-minute rule? The 15-minute rule is when you are already in a trade and the stock is gapping down pre-market near or below your stop loss. What you want to do in this case is you want to actually cancel your stop so that you don't get triggered right off the open. Then you let the stock play out for about 15 minutes and then you place your stop under that first 15-minute low. What this will do is oftentimes those first 15 minutes the stock will puke because the weak sellers are getting out of it right off the open, and then the smart money comes in, scoops it right back up, and then it's like nothing ever happened. So using the 15-minute rule will avoid getting shaken out of a lot of trades and keeping you in for the long run. Let me give you an example. ASO, Academy Sports and Outdoors Inc. About 2 weeks ago, I bought this one around $27.70 just on earnings day, right after they reported. I wrote it up to this 33, 31.50 area, and then after this indecisive candle at highs, I placed my stop just under the low of day. The low of day was $29.75, so it's basically right here. I said to myself, if it crosses that line, I'm out. If it keeps going higher, good. I'll just keep trailing it. So for 2 days, it did a little bit of consolidating, and then on March 8th, it was gapping down pre-market. So instead of panic selling right off the open, I canceled my stop and I used a 15-minute rule. Now, if you go and look at a 15-minute chart, you'll see that on March 8th, it gapped down and it opened right around $29.50. So it would have opened below my stop, it would have instantly triggered me, and I would have been out of the trade. It went down all the way to $28.39, and that was the 15-minute low. So I put my stop just under that first 15 minutes. And then as you can see, it never went back under that 15 minutes. So using the 15-minute rule saved me from being shaken out of this trade. And now ASO is pretty much right back up to where it was back when it hit those highs a couple days before. So the 15-minute rule doesn't work every single time, but in the long run, it'll definitely save you a lot more than it'll hurt you. So I would suggest giving it a shot and seeing how it works for you. Thank you, and I hope you learned something. Peace.